namin kasi first time namin ma-experience yung ganito na groundbreaking. Tapos papasalamat kami kay God kasi ang tagal na namin na gustong magkaroon ng sarili yung plan na bahay. Actually, second house namin to, may house na kami. Kaso ano yon, by subdivision ng gawa siya. So gusto namin magkaroon ng dream house. So ang saya namin kasi dream come true. Tapos binless kami ni God para mapagawa at saka matupad na yung wish namin na magkaroon ng sarili naming bahay na talagang plano namin, yung gusto namin yung design.
Nakilala ko si Sir Mar way back 2018. History started yung first designing their old house for renovation. A year passed, napunta kami dito sa Suburbia. Nag-inspect kami, then they asked me again to design their house, their home here. This day, our much awaited time, nag-push through na yung project, and we are now on our groundbreaking ceremony. Siguro nahiwagaan po kayo, but Platea yung pangalan ng project. Platea is a Greek word for square, one of the fundamentals of shape in geometry, inscribing style with its simplicity, that open an evolution of space and articulation of line that give its paradigm. So you see, Quinta Architects really has the bloodline na may kwento ang bawat bahay na aming ginagawa. Inspired with the personality and the history of our dear clients.
I would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Palejo for giving us the trust to build their home. Asahan niyo po, ang buong team ng Quinta, ibibigay po lahat ng aming makakaya para maging successful po ang project na ito. And gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa ating mga workers, staff na nag-asikaso po dito sa event natin para maging successful po ang groundbreaking na ito. Muli po, maraming salamat. May God bless us all.